So guys, welcome back. Now let's quickly do a quick analysis on our pound currency. And if you find our video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share. So on this channel, we analyze our forex market and our stock market. So now on our currency pair, we'll be looking at first for today is our JPY index. You can see that now our JPY index has actually been bullish for this week, by the way. It has actually gone up by the way. So we should actually be seeing that fall, because if you are to look at analyze our it's fully, we can see that we've actually been seeing that, push up, push down, which where our price is actually bearish, by the way. So we've actually gotten that thing called a retracement, right? So definitely we should continue to see that, continue our four movements downward on our pound index. So for today, let's see where our price will actually be hitting by going to our 4 hour time frame, by the way. So as we can see, we've actually said that, push up retracement, then we should actually be looking for a short. I believe that this our price is actually a breakout, to force to, like, this is trade that our price is going up, thereby our price will now fall. And if possibly our price goes up, then definitely we should be able to see that reversal at this our area here. Definitely our price must not go above it. If it goes above it, then there's every likelihood that our price has now start changing direction. If not, we should be able to see at least a push up, then we actually now see that, fall. But I'm not looking at there for my fall, I'm looking at here for my sell position. By the way, let's see if we'll be able to have it today. Let's see, we'll be able to have our sell today. That should be able to give me about, 100 plus pips. By the way, I should be able to grab it fully by next week. But today we should actually be looking for a short, as you can see on our 1 hour time frame. Definitely you can see that price giving us that weak movement. It does not want to push up, but actually giving us, weak movements, whereby our price is very likely to actually start coming down on our pound index. So now on our currency pair, we will be looking at is our euro pound. On our euro pound, let's see if you actually be able to see that a little bit of fall, then you can actually now see that, push up on our euro pound. By the way, you see our euro is actually very, very, very down. It's actually going down massively. There's every possibility that our euro can actually come down to touch our liquidity area before you can actually now see that reversal. And there's every possibility that you can now see that change of reversal here. Our price will actually push up, giving us that retracement, then our continue push down. So why I said is that if you are to analyze our price like this, we can see our price has pushed down. We see the push up retracement. You see that, push down. Definitely we should be getting that retracement for today. Before we can actually now continue our, push down movement. So definitely we might see a push up for today on our euro pound. So it depends on how you want to trade it on. Okay, so that's what our daily time frame is showing us. Now on our pound odd, as you can see that if you are to analyze our odd is actually falling down massively. It is actually going down. So any pair relating to it should actually be going up. So definitely I'm looking at this my area here as a, the likelihood for our price to actually change reversal downward. What I say that is that, you can look at it by the way, you can see that, push down. Now we are seeing that something called a pullback. So we should be able to get that pullback around this area here, then we actually now see that fall. So that's exactly what I'm looking for. But on our that should be able to give us at least, good amount of pips to grab for today. So we should continue be seeing that continue bullish move to this our area here. As you can see on our pound oil, we are still on a bullish move, a little bit of bullish move, then we actually see that fall. As our oil is actually bearish, so any pair relating to it will actually be going bullish. Now our next pair we have is our pound New Zealand. Now you can see that our pound New Zealand actually got into this our area here. We should actually be looking for a fall on our pound New Zealand, and there's every possibility we might not even get our fall, but we might be getting this that movement called that a little bit of push up, a little bit of push down. I forgot how they call the movement, that ranging move. a little bit of range move. Let's see it on our 1 hour time frame. You can see it now. You can see we can actually get in that having that ranging move for today, because one thing I know is that our New Zealand will actually be going down, so I think our pound should be going up or should be going down. So let's see if you actually get that ranging move, and if we don't get that ranging move, then definitely we should be seeing that drop on our pound New Zealand. Exactly what I am aiming for today. Now our next pair is our pound card. One thing I know about our card is that our card will be falling very, very, very soon. So I just don't know when, probably today. As you can see on our pound card, we are actually going bullish, by the way. So let's see if our pound card will actually get to this our area, liquidity area here. This called this supply, the supply mode or something like that. Let's see if our pound will actually be able to push up for today to this our area here, before probably by next week we should actually be seeing that fall on our pound card. But let's see if we're able to hit push up. We should be looking for a push up on our pound card before we actually take that sell. On our daily time frame, you can see it here. This place, there's every likelihood of our price reversing around this area here. So now on our next pair we have is our pound Swiss franc. One thing I wanted to know is our Swiss franc is actually falling massively. So definitely any pair relating to it should actually be going bullish. So I would want to be going bullish on my pound Swiss franc, at least to this our area here, before we can actually now see that reversal. So for today, I'm taking my buy position straight upward on my pound Swiss franc. Now on our 1 hour time frame, we are seeing something. We are seeing that retracement, right? Pull back. Then definitely we should actually see that break of structure upward and continue bullish. So that's our analysis for today.